What is unjunction transistor? Unjunction transistor, or UJT, is a tri-terminal semiconductor switching device. This device has a unique characteristic that when it is triggered, the emitter current increases regeneratively until it's limited by emitter power supply. Due to this characteristic, the unjunction transistor can be employed in a variety of applications, example, switching pulse generator, sawtooth generator, and etc. It consists of an N-type silicon bar with an electrical connection on each end. The leads to those connections are called base leads, base 1 B1 and base 2 which is B2. Partway along the bar between the two bases nearer to B2, a PN junction is formed between a P-type emitter and the bar. This figure shows the symbol of unjunction transistor. Take note that the emitter is shown closer B1 than B2. Since the device has one P junction and three leads, it is commonly called a unjunction transistor. With only one P junction, the device is really form of diode because the two base terminals are taken from the one section of the diode. This device is also called double base diode. The emitter is heavy doped, having a many holes. The N region, however, is slightly doped. For this reason, the resistance between the base terminal is very high when emitter lead is open.
Good morning. Uh, Next is the working principle of UJT or unijunction transistor. So, first, sa forward bias. When emitter is forward bias, it allows the current to flow in a circuit, while when the emitter is reversed, the current does not flow. So here, this is a forward bias. So, in forward bias, the current uh, the current flow in a circuit. So nagfo-flow siya dito, from here positive, magfo-flow siya papunta dito, pababa dyan, and flow papunta ulit dito. And here magfo-flow siya papunta dito, pababa, papunta dito, balik. So that is the forward bias. So in reverse bias, here the current does not flow, so no current flow here. Okay, so with emitter open, when the voltage VBB is applied, when emitter open, when the voltage VBB is applied with emitter open, a potential gradient is established along the N-type silicon bar. As the emitter is located close to the base 2, thus a major part of VBB appears between the emitter and base 1, the voltage 1 between emitter and base 1 establish a reverse bias on the PN junction and emitter current is cut off. So, mag-i-establish siya ng reverse bias. Sabihin na natin, kapag ang VBB niya or the voltage charge is na kumbaga nag-ano sa between emitter here, dito, nag-i-establish siya ng between sa dito. Tingnan natin ito. Yan. Between sa B1 and sa emitter, nag-i-establish siya ng reverse bias. Nag-i-establish siya ng reverse bias sa PN junction and emitter current is cut off. So, yung emitter current, naka-cut off na siya. Pero, here, but a small leakage current flows from B2 to emitter due to minority charge carries, thus the device is said to be off state. So, naka-off state yung device here. Yan. Pero, may nagpo-flow pa din dito mula sa B2. Kasi, meron siyang minority charge. May dinadala siyang minority charge, kumbaga. Yan. So, yan, small leakage current flow. So, may leakage na dumadaan dito. May small leakage na dumadaan dito sa B2. Okay. So, here's the illustration of it. Here. Here is the illustration of here. Here is the illustration of state. Kita nyo yan. No voltage, hindi siya nag-a-apply, but the current still flow from the emitter and the B1. And there is a small leakage charge that carries here in B2. Okay. So with emitter at positive potential, when a positive voltage is applied at the emitter terminal, the PN junction will remain reverse bias till the input voltage is less than V1. So hanggat hindi nagle-less yung voltage na ni-input sa kanya, ang current na mag-flow dito is still reverse bias. Right. As soon as the input voltage at emitter exceeds V1, the PN junction become forward bias. So, magiging na siyang forward bias kapag nag-exceed na siya ng V1. Under this condition, the holes are supplied from P-type region into N-type bar. So, under this condition, holes are supplied from P-type region into N-type. So, simula dito, magsusupply siya papunta dito sa N-type here. Yan, paikot na siya dito. From emitter, yan, hanggang dito sa N-type. Yan, N-type, at pupunta siya dito sa ayan. These holes are repelled by positive B2 terminal and attract towards the B1. So, nire-repel siya dito sa B2. Okay. Nire-repel siya dyan. Kumbaga, parang hindi siya tinatanggap dito sa part sa B2. Pero, na-attract sila dito sa part ng B1. So, ang flow niya is pag ganito. Ganyan. Habang ang flow ng naandito is papunta doon sa taas. Ganyan. Kasi nire-repel niya yung charge papunta sa B2. So, yung charge is attracted mismo dito sa B1. So, ang flow niyan is papunta dito, pag ganyan. Yan. This increase the number of holes in emitter B1 region result in a decrease of resistance of this section of the bar. Because of this, the terminal voltage drop from emitter to B1 region is reduced. Thus, the emitter current increase. Dahil sa pag-increase ng number ng hole dito sa emitter to B1 region, nagre-result ito ng pag-decrease ng resistance nitong ating UJT. Decrease of resistance of this section bar. Here, ito. Yan, section bar. Because of this, the terminal voltage drop from emitter to B1 region is reduced. So, nagda-drop yan papunta dito. Emitter, yan, from this emitter to B1, nagre-reduce siya. As more holes supplied in a condition of saturation is reached, at the point of saturation, the emitter current is limited by the emitter power supply. Now, the device is conducting, hence said to be on state. So, naka-on state na, masasabi na natin naka-on state yung ating UJT. So, ganyan yung sa working principles ng uni-junction transistor. So, here is the illustration. Yan. Makikita natin na naka-on state ang ating UJT. Naka-open ang kanyang dalawang charge. So, magpo-flow ang current simula dito, yan, sa emitter, punta dito hanggang sa B1, paikot na yan. At simula dito sa B1, aakyat siya dyan, papunta dito sa B2, babalik siya dito sa bar. So, as said, nagre-reduce yung kumbaga charges niya. Yung holes, yung mga charge holes or kinikerry nila, papunta dito sa B1. And nire-repel naman nito ng B2. So, ang flow niya is pag ganito lang. Simula dito sa emitter, papunta dito sa B1, iikot lang siya dyan. Balik. At yung B1 is yung charges na nanggagaling dito sa B2, bababa dyan sa B1, iikot yan hanggang paakyat. So, itong charge na tong naan dito, yung positive, aakyat yan ito. Aakyat yan papunta dito sa B2, bababa yan papunta dito. So, ang flow niya is pag ganito. Yan. At ang flow naman nito is from emitter to B1 to VBB, emitter V1 to voltage. Yan. At ang flow naman nito is from B1 to VBB, B2 from B1. So, that is the working principle of unijunction transistor. Thank you.
Next is the characteristic curve of unijunction transistor or UJT. The graphs between emitter current or IA and emitter voltage VA is called output characteristic of UJT. These characteristics are also called as emitter characteristic of UJT. The below figure show the UJT characteristic. First is a cutoff region. The region to the left of the peak point is called the cutoff region. Up to the peak point or P, the diode is reverse bias, and then the small leakage current flow from B2 to the emitter due to monetary carrier. Next is negative resistance region. The region between the peak point to the valley point is called the negative resistance region. In this region, the diode is forward bias, starts conducting, and holes are injected into N layer. Hence, the emitter current IE increase with emitter current is due to the decrease in resistance. That's why this region is called the negative resistance region. Last is which is saturation region. The region to the right of the valley point is called the saturation region. After the valley point, the device is driven into saturation and behaves like a forward bias PN junction diode. In the valley point, the resistance changes from negative to positive.
Pros: simple and cost-effective, high input impedance, low power consumption. Cons: limited frequency response, not sustainable for high power application, limited switching speed compared to other devices.